Hello friends, Sai here. Today we have this question. This question is taken from AIMO 2013. This AIMO is the Australian Intermediate Mathematics Olympiad. It contains really good questions of mathematics, and here we have 4 hours for 10 questions. So you can think of the level of questions here. Now let's see this question. It says that if A, B, C, D are positive integers with sum 63, what is the maximum value of AB plus BC plus CD? So basically he gave us this information that A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 63. One more thing, he says that A, B, C, D all are positive integers, means natural number. Then we need to find the maximum value of AB plus BC plus CD. Now let's try this question with the geometry. Now let's assume there is this rectangle. Okay, so I split it like this. Let's say this side length is A. Now if I talk about this area, if I say this is B, can I say that this AB is represented by this area? I can say that. Now here I have this term BC, and if this is B, I can say that this will also be B. Now let's say this is C, so I can say this area is said to be BC and this is AB. Well and fine. Now the third term I have here is CD. So can I say that if this is C, this length will be C. Now let's say this is T. If this is C, this is D, I can say that this area is what? CD. Well and fine. So this remaining area, if this is D, this will also be D. If this is A, this will also be A. So this remaining area is AD. Now since we need to maximize AB plus BC plus CD, so can I say that I have to maximize the shaded area, because this is AB, this is BC, this is CD, so this quantity is equal to shaded area only na. So I can say that we need to maximize the shaded area. Well and fine. Now how we can maximize the shaded area? See, let's say I increase this length so that this become like this, so shaded area become this. I increase this length so that this become this. I increase this length so that this become this. So I'm getting this, but there will be a limit na, till which I can increase these sides. How we know that limit? See, look at the question. He says that A, B, C, D belongs to integers. So now if I increase it further and further, what is the length? This length I have, this length is D only na, but D is what? Natural number. So D at least can be 1, it cannot decrease further than less than 1. Same way for this side length also. So I can say that the shaded area is maximum when this length, that is D, is equal to 1, and this length, that is A, is equal to 1. Well and fine. So now we have 4 variables, 2 variables are sorted out. Well and fine. So now I need to maximize this thing, so I can write like this also: maximize. See, this quantity is actually the area of this minus this area na? So I can say that A plus C into B plus D minus 1. This we need to maximize, but we know that D is 1, A is 1, so I can say that it is maximize C plus 1 and B plus 1 minus 1. Well and fine. But till now we didn't use this expression that A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 63. And we know the values of two variables, so I can say that B plus C is equal to 61. Now use this relation and put it here. So what I'm getting is, we need to find the maximum of C plus 1 into 61 minus C plus 1 minus 1. This thing I can say that. Now what is this quantity? Maximize of this become quadratic, minus C square plus 61 62 C, read 61 C plus 62 minus 1, that is 61. I'm left with this quantity. This is a quadratic, and we know that this quadratic maximum value will occur when C is equal to minus B by 2a, that is minus 61 divided by minus 2 into 1. This I can say. So here I am getting what, 61 by 2. But we know that C belongs to natural number. So and this quantity is what, 30.5. So C can either be 30 or 31. These two possibilities. Now check the value of this expression for these values. Now if I put C is equal to 30, C is equal to 30, what I am getting is minus 30 square plus 61 into 30 plus 61, which comes out to be 991. Now if I check for C is equal to 31, what I am getting is minus 31 square plus 61 into 31 plus 61, which again comes out to be 991. So I can say that our final answer is what, 991. See how amazing this question is. See, with the help of geometry, actually we solve it. We found the maximum value. So this is the way we need to attend. We need to attempt the Olympiad question. This is the thinking level which we have to go. Hope you like the solution.